Hello students, today I am taking chapter number 6 geography again. This one is part 2nd of the chapter manufacturing sector. In previous classes we are just reading about different kind of industries and different type of sectors which are situated in India and all over the world, and now today we are discussing about the classification of industries. Industries are bases and divided on different categories, and all these categories are, first one is on the basis of raw material. Different kind of materials we are using for manufacturing anything, and all these kind of materials are very essential and useful for each and everyone, but all these materials are raw material for any industry. So all these materials are produced in different sectors, and first one is agro based industries. All these industries who are totally based on the agricultural production, like an biscuit factory, bread factory, and many other kind of agricultural products we are used, like cotton, jute, and many more. After that we are talking about the second form. This one is the mineral based industries. Some industries are totally based on minerals, like petroleum industries, ore industries, iron and steel industries. All these kind of industries are known as mineral based industries, which are based on their raw material. After that, second one is on the basis of their main role. Main role means part in our life. Many things have different kind of categories and different criteria for our life standard, but some having different kind of categories and different kind of criteria for taking or make our life useful. So first one is basic or key industries. Basic or key industries are those industries which are very useful for each and every industry. Without all these industries, nothing is possible for different kind of industries. So all these industries are very useful and essential for our life. After that, consumer industries. Consumer industries are those industries which are developing different kind of materials for making luxurious life of their consumers, like different kind of oils, different kind of toothpaste and brushes, etc. After that, basis of capital investment. Here the capital is money. The meaning of capital is money. So on the basis of money or investment, here we have two categories. First one is small. Small industries are those industries who are spending less than 1 crore rupee for their production or for prepare their industries. And second one is big industries, which are generally spend just more than 1 crore rupees and have a heavy structure and big structure for their survival conditions. So all these industries are categorized on the behalf of their production, on the behalf of their capital, on the behalf of their money investment. After that, basis of ownership. Ownership means whose material, whose industry is this. So these kind of industries are divided on the basis of public. Public means government sector. All the sectors which are in the control of government are known as public sectors. Second one is private sector. Private means an individual entity's property. Any school, any kind of vehicle, any kind of material which is owned by a particular single person is known as the private industry. After that, joint sector, in which percentage is divided between government and any private firm. This is known as joint sector industries. After that, cooperative sector industries. Cooperative sector industries are those industries which are run by the cooperation of different people. Cooperation means sharing of things, sharing of views, sharing of thoughts, and many more things. All these are known as regenerative industries. Last one is basis on bulk or weight. Some industries are very heavy and some industries are light. Light industries are those industries who are not have much weight than others. And second one is heavy industries. Heavy industries are those industries who are having a big bulk, having a big weight, a great weight in their particular structure, like iron and steel industries. And the example of light industries are some electrical industries. All these kind of industries are very useful in our life. This one is the classification of industries on the behalf of their categories and materials used. After that, we are talking about some more concepts, which are jute textile. Jute is a golden fiber which was produced in West Bengal for their best conditions. Jute is known as golden fiber for their more wages, more rates, and different kind of categories. Different things are made up by jute, like sacks and many kind of coir mattresses and all. After that, sugar industries, you know very well the importance of sugar in our life for making different kind of sweets and for making tea, coffee, etc. And these kind of industries are firstly produce good and khansari, after that making sugar. So these all industries are very useful for our daily basis. After that, iron and steel industry. You know very well, iron and steel industries are very bulky material industry, and all these industries are prepare different kind of things like different angles, iron rods, etc. for our luxurious life. Now, aluminium smelting. This one is a procedure by which we are prepare aluminium by using blast furnaces and different kind of main materials. And all these things and all these processes are very useful for make our life easier. Now, some chemical industries are also given here. Fertilizer industries for make good fertilizers for your better use, and many kind of things. And fertilizer industries also useful for each and every person for their better life, because by the use of fertilizer, any farmer prepare or grow different kind of grains or different mean crops for our life. Cement industry based on chemicals. Automobile industries are those industries which are based on the production of different vehicles. You know the value of vehicles in our life, and all these vehicles are very luxurious and prestigious for making our life easy. And all these industries are known as automobile industries. In India, different areas we have like Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Bengaluru, and many more areas we have in India. After that, information technology and electronic industries. In short, this one is IT and electric industry for prepare more and more big things for generating different kind of materials for our life and better communication. Communication is the main thing for our better life, and for better communication, different BPOs, and for producing more and more goods and services, we are having different business processing offices and outsourcing sectors, and all these are very important in our life. After that, industrial pollution and environmental degradation. By the procedure of all these industries are making different kind of smoke and fumes, and all these smokes and fumes are very dangerous for our life, and this is known as pollution. And this kind of pollution is known as industrial pollution. The type of pollution which are created by industries are known as industrial pollution. and now environmental degradation by this pollution and this kind of different activities. Our environment is totally creating a big trouble for our life, and human beings are always responsible for this condition. All the type of pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution. Thermal pollution on the basis of heat generated by us in water and on earth. Noise pollution, and concept is control of environmental degradation by using all these methodologies. First one is minimizing use of water for processing by reusing and recycling it in 2 or more successive stages. Yeah, this point is really very true. On the basis of different categories, we are thinking about the availability of water. Water is much essential need for human being, and all these kind of things and materials are very useful for human life. So we are able to control the wastage of water, so we can do it. After that, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them in rivers and ponds. All these methodologies and thinkings are much better for our better environment, and you should improve your life and your thinking and your life standard by using all these controlling and controlling by environmental degradation programs. Last one is NTPC. This one is National Thermal Power Corporation. This is useful for each and everyone because this NTPC procedure and industry and sector creates and make energy for our development, and it is very useful for growth of any nation, because all the nations and different categories and states are totally depend on all these industries. So that's all from my side, and keep it up, keep learning, don't skip your any concept, and use your book with this live lecture for your better understanding. Okay, now thank you.